Once you've accessed the Logon page, type in the username and password provided to you and click the Logon button. If you have forgotten your password, you can click the Forgot Your Password button to email yourself a reset link. Do not create an account. This is for applicants only. Once logged on, you will land on your dashboard. If you would like to edit your profile information or password, select your name in the upper right-hand corner. Next, click Edit My Profile. Here you can edit any of the fields shown, or you can scroll to the bottom of the page and select Change Password to set and confirm a new password. Please make sure to click the Save Password button once you've entered your new password. To return to your dashboard, click the Home button. On the dashboard, your navigation menu includes the Request and Decisions search tool, where you can search for past and current grant requests in any grant process. To complete a search, enter the search criteria and click on the Search button. From the generated results, you can access the organization summary, including all grant history, by clicking on the organization name. Board members can also access the request summary by clicking on the project name. You also have access to the Shared Documents page, which houses any files uploaded by an administrator. This is a view-only page. You may view documents, but you may not upload or edit these documents. If the e-reporting map feature is being utilized, you will be able to see your Foundation's historic funding plotted geographically from data submitted to the Foundation Center as part of their e-grant reporting program. Lastly, the fax-to-file feature can be used to convert documents from a hard copy format to a digital format so that they may be uploaded to the software. Remember that the home icon in the navigation menu will return you to the dashboard from any other page. All of the assigned evaluations will be visible on the dashboard under the Your Evaluations tab. At the top of the page, you will see a visual representation of the number of pending, draft, complete, and closed evaluations. Clicking on any section will filter the table below to show only evaluations with that status. You may remove this filter by clicking on the section again. Next, a quick search bar can be used to quickly find evaluations. Finally, a table will show all evaluations that have been assigned to you. This table includes general information such as process and applicant name. The columns can be sorted by clicking on the column header. The score is a percentage calculated by taking the total number of points scored divided by the total number of points possible on the form. If there are no scoring fields on the form, this column will be blank. Lastly, you will see the review icon, which indicates if an evaluator has completed all of the required questions on the form. A red exclamation mark will appear if any required questions on the evaluation form have not been completed. A green check mark appears after the evaluator has completed all required questions on the evaluation form. Clicking on the Request Status icon will bring you to the evaluation form to be completed. Under the Closed Evaluations tab, you will be able to see any evaluations in the Evaluations Closed status. This includes both evaluations completed by other board members as well as other staff evaluators. When clicked, the review icon will direct you to the evaluation page, which houses your evaluation form as well as other important information. At the top of the page, you can view the process name, view applicant and organization contact information. Please note that these may be blank depending on how the administrator has set up the site. You may access the organization history page by clicking on the blue hyperlinked organization name. You can view previously submitted forms in the Request tab, view uploaded documents, view request comments, and view charity check information if applicable. Next, you will see your evaluation on the left-hand side of the page. You may create a PDF of the evaluation form with your responses by clicking on the Evaluation Packet button. To the right, you will see the form, either an LOI or an application, that was completed by the applicant. You can toggle between the LOI and application by clicking on the View Form Name drop-down list at the top of the form. Note that this is only available for applications with an LOI attached. If documents have been uploaded to the form, you can view these within the site by selecting the Document Viewer button. This feature can also be accessible by clicking on the eye icon next to any uploaded document within the form. Within the document viewer, you can page and zoom on documents, switch between uploaded forms, and download documents using the download icon. If you would like to create a PDF of the application form with the responses completed, you can select the Application Packet button. Finally, you can complete the evaluation while scrolling through the LOI and application forms as needed. Notice that you can also see administrator comments on the application or LOI form where applicable. If the share option was turned on, evaluators can click on the Show Responses from Other Evaluators icon to see other evaluators' responses for that question directly from the form. Remember that fields with an asterisk are required fields and must be completed for the form to be marked as complete. The system will automatically save your answers as the form is completed. You can use the vertical divider line between the evaluation and application or LOI to resize each section. Once you have completed the form, click the Save button. This will take you to the confirmation page. Any required questions that were not completed will be listed here. Note that until all required questions have been completed, the status will not be updated from a red exclamation mark to a green check mark. Clicking Next Pending Evaluation will take the evaluator to the next assigned evaluation. Clicking Return to Dashboard will take you back to your dashboard where all the evaluation assignments are listed. If scoring fields are being utilized, the score total of all completed questions will appear as a % in the score column. You can return to a completed evaluation form up until the time that the administrator closes the evaluation stage by clicking on the Review icon on the Evaluation Workload page. To log out of the system, select your name on the top right-hand corner of the page and click Sign Out.